Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And guys, we just had a flash crash. Bitcoin went as low as $5,000 on a couple of different places, and Ethereum on a couple of places also went like to $3,800 or so. I've been checking Twitter out, I've been checking a couple other places out, and here is CJ Wilson, who posted on his Twitter, "Lol, yo, Binance US, thanks for those cheap Satoshis. Out of the money limit buy achievement unlocked." Look at that. The price went from 64.6, or maybe even 69, I guess, thousand, all the way down to $5,200 within like a minute or so, most likely. This has been crazy. And this is not the only story. If you go towards hashtag Bitcoin right now or any exchange in the comment section, you're seeing people get really freaking angry because, well, some coins had a huge flash crash just now, and it's really funny to me to witness. Again, you can see for Ethereum, the flash crash was not that severe, but this is all happening within 1 minute. So right now is, I think, a pretty good chance to buy still because, well, we're still a significant amount lower than what we're at like, let's say, an hour ago or so. We're like 5% down, which is most likely because the flash crash just happened. XRP, I believe, also was kind of hit with a flash crash. You can see we got a little bit of a spike before a huge downwards candle. I'm not sure what ADA is looking like on the 1 minute. We can quickly check it out. I was thinking, actually, that it mostly was for the bigger coins, meaning Bitcoin and ETH. ADA went down a little bit back to the support level. So you can clearly see it went down about 3% or so. But Bitcoin really took a way bigger hit. On Binance, the normal Binance here, it doesn't really look like it took anything. Let's quickly look through different charts to see how Bitcoin handled itself. We might want to check Bitcoin to USD. Hope the internet is working. It is Binance US here. We can see, yeah, that's where the flash crash was, guys. Look at that. That is insane. On my chart here, it hit $8,000 per Bitcoin for just a second. And look at the volume. I really wonder if somebody had a huge buy order or what just happened right there, but that is insane. For anybody who had a buy order open over on Binance, you just got yourself a really lucky buy, my friends. You got yourself a really lucky buy. On Coinbase, had a little bit of a flash crash, but only up to about 63,000. Let's keep going. On Bybit, on the contracts, we had a flash crash towards same 64 or something $1,000. Again, this is stuff that's not too crazy, even though it happened within 1 minute. Bitfinex, it came down again at kind of the same price. Same price, about 64.2 thousand. Let's see, what else do we have here? Bitstamp, I think we were checking that one out before. Kind of the same. 63.6. Okay, so even higher than that. It's just kind of funny to watch this go, right? To see Binance US being the main culprit of everything. Okay, so on FTX as well, it went down to about 58.5 thousand. What happened that minute? What happened right there? I don't know just quite yet. I just saw this. It happened about, let's see, about 30 minutes ago or so. And I'm just watching this unfold, witnessing this, and sharing it with you all. So I just saw this go. Let's see, BITRUE here. 63.8. That is very freaking funny, guys. Let's actually go to Binance US and check out Ethereum, ETH USD on Binance.us. Let's quickly check that one out. Yeah, that one also had a big crash, but not as severe. Only towards $2,800 or so. What else is on Binance US? Let's type Binance US. How do you... Nah, I'm not sure exactly how we can see that. We have BNB coin. Let's check it out as well. Yeah, also a big crash from almost $500 to like 200 or so. What happened on Binance US, guys? I'm in a group right now checking. People are saying, let's buy the dip. Market needs to shake out. I'm just checking what everybody's saying in my group chat here. What is this? What in the world just happened? This is really freaking interesting, though. So, again, guys, I'm going to be exploring a little bit as to what happened. Make sure you press that like button if you're enjoying the quick little update. My long positions are still fine. I guess Bybit has a little bit of a protection for this because sometimes the spot price goes so crazy that you can get stopped out with one little order. But they have some protection so you don't get liquidated when these types of things happen. So I'm going to say that is good. Right now we're finding some support at $64.5 thousand for Bitcoin. Wow, this is very interesting. I'm going to be buying the dip, of course, because I know it's altcoin season right now. If you want an exchange to trade on, check out Bybit. There's $3,500 worth of bonuses right now. And I guess they've done a good job protecting me from some crazy liquidation on some of these dumps. Wow, though. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more crypto updates. I did my best to get this one as soon as possible out to you guys. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video later today. Make sure you also press the like button and have that notification bell on so you're notified every time we upload another video like this.